Okay, so apparently this video is going to have really shitty lighting. I don't know. I was going to make this video, put all this on here, show it all off, but of course the freaking light so we got on here the new light. So now everybody can quit bitching. The new light. I guess it's the new mirror. Sorry, we got the new mirror on because you know how many people are bitching about this stupid ass thing? Friggin' mirror, I know it's the wrong side. Or I know it's the wrong mirror and it's broken and everyone's freaking out. Take it over to my mom's house and all the kids are, oh hey, you know that mirror's broken and that mirror doesn't match the other side. Oh shit. Change out the other side first. Then I ran out of time and couldn't do the other side. They go, why didn't you change the broken side first? Oh, someone's here. There we go. Yeah. Now we're talking. Let me bump all these other. Okay. Now that's on there. Up on all these little rubber nubbers. There's all these little foam pieces. The last guy, he didn't have one of those, and so he just cut his own stuff, a little sticky piece. So we're just going to stick that on the door. Just, you know, anywhere. And we're going to stick all these new little things. That is 2 people who have pulled up my driveway and turned around within the last 10 minutes. It's always really fun though, because when they pull in the driveway, you just go chase after them and they're like, oh shit, we gotta get out of here, and they hurry out faster. Okay, so that concludes that. Let's go ahead and let's get the door panel back on. I think we're ready for that. Oh, but I guess I can get this wire through here. Looks like somebody took good care of this side. Oh, you know what? This is a replacement door. Maybe that says replacement door. One of these two has got to be replacements because one's different than the other. That could explain why this side's better taken care of than that side. But they both have JVCs. So why would one have Dynamat in one and doesn't have the Dynamat on the other side? Doesn't make any sense. And then why would you take care of one side and not the other? But then again, this also had Gorilla Glue holding this mirror together, and then it broke and it looked like someone took box tape around it. It's weird. It's only had like 2 or 3 owners, and yet the last owner had it for the last 10 years. And it just... That's weird. Same guy owned it, but yeah, he did so many different little things to it. That are, you know, like one day he was like, yep, we're putting quality into this. And the next day he was like, you know, just whatever we got. Okay. Let's get the door panel on. Okay. Screwdriver. Where would be screw at? Right here. Look at that, good as new. Look at that, brand new mirror. It's not hooked up because it doesn't have the right connections, but we're going to fix that in a later video. But for now, it's got the brand new on both sides. She looks really good. This side's got it on already, so we're set. We'll see you in the next one.